If home repairs or DIY projects are taking up too much of your time and effort, you might be missing out on these amazing tools. These innovative tools feature smart designs that help you get the job done 3 times faster than usual. Let's take a look. Wrango Tools Titanium Molding Bar. Removing trim without cracking the surrounding material can be frustrating, especially when you're working on a renovation that needs a clean finish. The Wrango 9.5-inch titanium molding bar tackles that problem with double-wide, thin pry ends and a rounded head designed to protect finished surfaces. Built from titanium, it's about 45% lighter than comparable steel tools while still delivering the strength needed for demanding demolition work. A built-in side nail puller handles stubborn nails up to 20D, making it a practical choice for remodelers, carpenters, and contractors who spend long days on the job. At around $90. Screw Bolt Extractor Set. Anyone who's tried removing a broken bolt knows how quickly a simple job can turn into hours of frustration. Instead of guessing which extractor might fit, this XEWEA kit provides 25 dedicated sizes that cover a wide range of damaged fasteners. Its 360-degree multi-spline grip is designed to stay engaged under high torque, whether you're using a hand wrench or an impact tool. Combined with durable chromium molybdenum steel construction, it's especially useful for mechanics, fabrication shops, and DIY users who regularly deal with stubborn hardware. The complete set sells for roughly $35. Pipe cutter. Cutting plastic pipe with a hacksaw often leaves rough edges that require extra cleanup before installation. The Librate PVC pipe cutter is designed to deliver cleaner, straighter cuts with far less effort thanks to its ratcheting drive system. Its 3mm SK5 steel blade features a Teflon coating for smooth cutting, while the heavy-duty aluminum alloy body is built for repeated use. With a cutting capacity of up to 2 1/2 inches, it's suitable for PVC, CPVC, PEX, PPR, and rubber hose. Plumbers, electricians, and DIY renovators will appreciate its quick blade change system and safety lock. At around $22, it's a practical workshop companion. Pipe cutter heavy duty. One of the biggest challenges when cutting metal tubing is keeping the pipe stable while maintaining a perfectly straight cut. Telesa tackles that issue with a 6-bearing support system that improves grip and reduces unwanted movement during every rotation. The heavy-duty SKD cutting wheel is built for stainless steel, copper, brass, and aluminum tubing, while the ergonomic adjustment knob allows quick tightening with controlled pressure. A built-in deburring tool completes the job by cleaning both inner and outer edges. It's a dependable workshop tool that costs around $28. Electric Suction Cup Floor Gap Fixer. Accurate flooring installation often comes down to making tiny adjustments without damaging the material. That's where this electric suction cup stands out. Instead of manually pumping a vacuum cup, the built-in motor creates suction automatically and even restores vacuum pressure if it begins to drop. A digital display keeps you informed of suction, strength, and battery level, while the reinforced hammering plates help close seams with greater precision. Compatible with laminate, vinyl plank, porcelain, glass, and engineered stone, it's a useful tool for both professionals and experienced DIY installers. The current price is roughly $65. Electric desoldering iron. Desoldering through-hole components often becomes a slow process when molten solder cools before it can be removed. The Yihua 929DV addresses that challenge by combining constant heating with an integrated vacuum pump, allowing solder to be melted and extracted in one smooth motion. After a short 3 to 5 minute warm-up, it's ready for continuous operation, while the heat deflector helps keep the handle comfortable during extended sessions. Designed with replaceable nozzles and an easy clean solder chamber, it's well suited for PCB repair and electronic restoration. It sells for approximately $34. Cordless Soldering Iron Kit. Field repairs often mean working in poorly lit garages or awkward angles where monitoring your equipment's status becomes a frustrating guessing game. The FNIRSI HS03 addresses this by embedding a high-contrast 0.96-inch IPS color display right into the handle, ensuring full visibility regardless of lighting conditions. Its tool-free fast swap mechanism lets you switch between joints, fine points, and tight spaces in seconds. Operating across a flexible 212 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit span, this tool delivers industrial-grade versatility in a pocket-sized form factor. Small appliance fixers and drone builders will find this to be an incredibly handy addition to their gear bag for roughly $62. Cordless Grinder Set. Detail work often demands precision that bulky power tools simply can't provide. The XIFOE 7.2-volt cordless rotary tool is designed for sanding, polishing, carving, and trimming small parts with greater control. Its 5-speed motor ranges from 8,000 to 28,000 RPM, letting you match the speed to delicate resin models, wood, or light metal work. An integrated LED light improves visibility, while the 59 included accessories handle a wide variety of tasks. With up to 103 minutes of runtime and convenient USB Type-C charging, it's a versatile option priced at around $30. Log Peeler Debarker. Preparing raw timber for construction projects typically requires bulky, expensive machinery that simply cannot be transported directly to the felling site. The Handheld Debarker attachment solves this mobility issue by converting lightweight forestry chainsaws into heavy-duty planing tools. Driven by a rugged steel pulley system and heavy-duty V-belts, this tool absorbs heavy vibration while maintaining consistent contact with uneven log surfaces. The kit comes complete with 6 interchangeable blades and dedicated drive components tailored specifically for popular ST-IHL and Husqvarna models. Ranchers and timber farmers needing clean logs right in the woods can pick up this versatile setup for approximately $110. Handheld Grooving Planer. Fine-tuning dados and cleaning out tenon shoulders using power tools often risks overcutting, leaving you with loose joints and ruined workpieces. The KM17 Pro router plane resolves this frustration by offering absolute manual control, letting you dial in smooth, perfectly flat-bottom grooves by hand. Its zero backlash blade lift mechanism adjusts up to 30 millimeters deep without slipping, while a unique cam-lock depth stop guarantees identical, repeatable cuts. You get both straight and 45-degree half-inch blades, alongside a reversible brass knob fence for straight or curved references. Cabinet makers and fine joiners aiming for heirloom quality hand tool fits will appreciate this level of precision, priced around $200. DEWALT 20-volt max planer. Trimming, sticking doors, flattening uneven joists, or beveling sharp timber edges manually with traditional hand tools can be exhausting and time-consuming. The DEWALT planer solves this job site bottleneck by offering high-speed, cordless shaving power, allowing tradespeople to make rapid, glass-smooth adjustments anywhere without hunting for wall outlets. Driven by an efficient brushless motor that produces 30,000 cuts per minute, this tool takes up to a 2 mm depth cut in a single pass. A precision-calibrated knob lets you fine-tune depth in micro increments of 1/256th of an inch, while a built-in kickstand prevents accidental surface gouging when setting the tool down. Finished carpenters, framers, and cabinet makers working on site installations will get the most out of this portable power tool, which retails for around $184. HOTO Drill Set. Tackling home assembly and minor repairs often leaves beginners guessing which torque setting prevents stripped screw heads or cracked materials. The HOTO 16-volt drill set removes that frustration by embedding a smart digital display right into the handle, giving you complete visual control over your project. Powered by an efficient brushless motor that generates 50 Nm of torque and speeds up to 1,700 RPM. It easily drives fasteners into dense wood or metal. Its standout feature is an intelligent auto mode that stops driving automatically once flush, preventing over-tightening. Equipped with a 3/8" keyless chuck and a 1,900 mAh battery with convenient USB-C charging, this kit excels at flat pack furniture, assembly, and home maintenance, priced at around $90.